Dressing the part. The essentials of professional attire. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an important aspect of the professional world, professional attire. Understanding what constitutes professional attire is crucial for anyone stepping into or navigating through the workplace. Whether you're attending a job interview, starting a new job, or participating in formal business events, knowing what to wear can make a significant difference. So, let's unravel the essentials of dressing professionally together. Professional attire refers to the clothing and accessories considered appropriate for a work environment. This concept varies significantly across different industries, cultures, and even companies. However, the underlying principle remains the same: dressing in a manner that reflects respect for the occasion, the workplace, and oneself. There are generally two categories of professional attire. Business formal. This is the most stringent dress code, requiring suits, ties, professional dresses, and dress shoes. It's often expected in conservative industries like finance, law, and banking. Business casual. A more relaxed dress code that still maintains professionalism. It includes slacks, skirts, dress shirts, and blouses, without the need for full suits or formal dresses. For men, suits. A tailored suit in a neutral color such as black, navy, or gray. Shirts. Crisp, button-up shirts in solid colors or subtle patterns. Ties. Silk ties that complement the suit without being too flashy. Shoes. Clean, polished dress shoes, typically in black or brown. For women, suits or professional dresses. Well-fitting suits or knee-length dresses in conservative colors. Blouses. Modest blouses or tops that are not too low-cut or brightly colored. Shoes. Closed-toe heels or flats in good condition. Accessories. Minimal and tasteful, including jewelry, belts, and scarves. 1. Understand the company culture. Research or ask about the dress code before your first day. 2. Invest in quality basics. A few high-quality pieces can serve as the foundation for numerous outfits. 3. Keep it neat and clean. Ensure your clothes are always clean, pressed, and in good repair. 4. Dress for the job you want. Dressing slightly above your current position can signal your aspirations and professionalism. 5. Add a personal touch. While sticking to the dress code, a unique accessory or item can help your personality shine through in a professional manner. Mastering professional attire is a key step in presenting yourself as a competent, dedicated professional in any field. It's not just about following rules but about respecting the professional environment and expressing your commitment to your role and career. We hope this video has provided you with a solid understanding of professional attire and how to navigate its nuances. Remember, the way you dress can significantly influence the first impression you make, so take the time to plan and prepare your professional wardrobe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the professional world.